Men i helvete. Feil henne. Fuck me. What the fuck? Kill me? Men fan. The tradition goes on. El Milto putting on his morgenkåpe. I look like a fucking retard. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a new episode of Guess the Sound. Today you're gonna guess the sound of a motor, an engine, like an engine sound. Not exactly that though, but something in that dur. Here's the sound. Yeah, did you guess it? I guess you didn't guess it. That was a bad guess. It's if you haven't figured out the sound yet. I know why, because you fucking suck. So, here's the answer. It's me, it's fucking me. I'm the engine. Roll the clip. As you can see, it's me. It was me sneezing my sneeze out. Thanks for watching this episode of Guess the Sound. Goodbye.
Hope you're happy, bitch.